Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our 10th or 11th meeting for essay writing subject. So today's session will be asynchronous online session, and in this video, I'm going to explain the next type of essay, which is process analysis essay. After you learned about comparison and contrast essay last week, and then you also make your own comparison and contrast. Today, we move on to the next type of essay, which is process analysis essay. And what I'd like to emphasize is the peer feedback collaboration should be still go on, should be going on, and you should continue to give feedback to each other in the process. So when you meet in the classroom face to face with your friends, please continue the process of collaboration. So let's move on to the topic for today. It's the process analysis essay. Here I will explain the structure of the process analysis essay, and then what is in the thesis statement of process analysis essay, and also some tips and the sample essay. So first of all, what is process analysis essay? So let's see. From the term or from the name, process analysis, I think you can also, guess the content of the essay, process and analysis. So it describes the process, a process, how to do something or how something happens by describing the steps or stages in the process. I think you might know the term procedural text or procedural essay. So it kinds of the same or similar to procedural essay. And in the process analysis essay, the writer breaks down the process into steps and describes them in detail to inform or persuade the reader about the process that you explain. So the purpose is to inform the readers and also to persuade the readers about the process. Next is the thesis statement. As you know that an essay has introductory paragraph or introduction, and then body paragraph or body paragraphs, and then the concluding paragraph. The thesis statement is in the introduction or the first paragraph. It's the topic sentence or the main idea of the whole essay, yeah. I repeat it again. The thesis statement in the process analysis essay often explains the specific process that will be analyzed and the main purpose or outcome. So let's say you explain the process of making cilok, for example, how to make cilok, process of making cilok, and the main purpose, how to make delicious cilok, or how to make cilok yang gimana gitu ya. Main purpose-nya itu outcome-nya ya. Jadi bagaimana membuat cilok yang enak, atau cireng misalnya. The specific process is how to make cireng that is crispy, misalnya outside and soft inside misalnya. Kalau spesifik prosesnya membuat cilok, main purpose-nya cilok yang crispy dan soft gitu, crispy di luar, soft di dalam. Gitu ya. So in the thesis statement, you explain the specific process, prosesnya apa yang akan dijelaskan, and then the main purpose or outcome, hasil yang ingin dicapai, itu thesis statementnya. Nah, in the process analysis essay, of course, you also use transitions or cohesive devices like first, second, third, karena it explains process ya. So it should what is it, contain the transition. Ini harus mungkin harus ada atau menjadi salah satu ciri or characteristic of process analysis because it explains a process. It means that you use transition signals gitu ya. Ada sinyal untuk transisi antar kalimat. First, second, third, dan seterusnya. Afterward, at last, finally, eventually, in the end, meanwhile, gitu ya. Kalau ada satu dan satu hal dan hal lain terjadi, meanwhile, tuh pakai meanwhile. Next, then, subsequently. Sebenarnya ini hanya beberapa contoh transition signals dalam proses analysis essay. But in the practice, you can use a lot of other conjunctions or transition signals. Jadi masih banyak transition signal yang lain yang bisa kalian pakai, disesuaikan dengan isi ya. Adjust to your essay. Jadi the content of the essay nanti disesuaikan transition signals yang diperlukan. So ini common transitionnya. And we move on to the tips on planning process analysis. I think it's a common tips, bukan tips yang terlalu spesifik, tapi memang lumayan berguna. So you should divide the process into logical major parts. Nanti kalian mungkin buat dulu mind map or steps or points, main points of the process. So divide the process into logical major parts, and then you can explain it in the essay into how many paragraphs. Jadi nanti logical major parts-nya berarti yang major aja, supaya nanti pembagian paragrafnya juga lebih mudah. And then list the individual steps or stages in the process, making sure not to leave out any steps. Nanti di list individual steps-nya supaya tidak ada yang terlewatkan step-nya. And then the last tips is describe each step in detail. Jadi jangan hanya stepnya satu apa, first apa, second apa, but you have to describe each step in detail. So when you have 3 points to explain, you can divide the essay into 4 paragraph essay. First paragraph is the introduction. Second paragraph is the first point, which describe the first point in detail, and then the third paragraph describe the second step or second point in detail, and then the concluding paragraph, gitu ya. Jadi logical major parts nanti akan dijadikan paragraf-paragraf itu. Jadi introduction dan body paragraphs. So, okay, after the tips and the structure of the process analysis, let's take a look to the sample essay. So here I will end the this is a sample essay for process analysis essay. It's about preparing for a college interview. Let's see the first paragraph, which is the which contains the thesis statement. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, I hope this is clear enough to see. A college interview. let's see the first paragraph, which explain or describe the specific process that you are going to explain, and also the thesis statement. A college interview is a great chance to connect with a prospective college and learn things that can help you achieve your goals. It's a background information for your introduction. And to prepare for a college interview, it's important to know what to do. Nah, preparing for a college interview involves understanding the interview's purpose, researching the college thoroughly, and practicing common questions to increase confidence and ensure success. What we discussed before about the thesis statement of a process analysis essay, ini thesis statementnya ya. This is the thesis statement, and it explains the specific process. Nah, to prepare a college for a college interview. Terus poinnya apa aja? Involves understanding the interview's purpose, researching the college thoroughly, and practicing common questions. Let's make it blue. Thesis statementnya ini yang akan dijelaskan di body paragraphs. To increase confidence and ensure success. So this part is the outcome. Tadi kan ada specific process and then the outcome or the main purpose of the process. Let's make it green. Ya, jadi ini thesis statementnya. Ada prosesnya, apa aja, poin-poinnya, dan outcome-nya atau main purpose, tujuan utamanya, to increase confidence and ensure success. Okay, let's take a look to the body paragraph. Nah, this is transition, first transition. Firstly, understanding the purpose of a college interview. Lihat di poin pertama, understanding the interview's purpose. So, these points are what to expect in the whole essay, in the body paragraph gitu ya. Jadi yang pertama, understanding the purpose of a college interview helps you prepare better. And then you explain in detail about the purpose of a college interview. College interviews can be either evaluative or informative. Evaluative interviews are common at top-tier colleges and play a big role in the admission process. Jadi evaluative biasanya yang menentukan di admission process, di pendaftaran gitu, proses pendaftaran kalian. Ada seleksi dan biasanya common at top-tier college di universitas-universitas yang apa ya, yang top gitu. It is important to answer, nah ini caranya. It is important to answer questions honestly and thoughtfully. Honestly and thoughtfully, dengan jujur, dengan bijak. And meanwhile, nah meanwhile sebenarnya bisa pakai meanwhile di sini. Informative interviews are two-way conversations where the student and the college learn about each other. Jadi ada evaluative, ada informative, dijelaskan in detail evaluative itu apa, informative itu apa. Next, the next paragraph is about the next point of the thesis statement, researching the college thoroughly. Nah, ini di paragraf 3. Researching how the college conducts its interviews can help you prepare. Tuh. And then explain in detail. Study the types of questions they ask so you can be ready. Look for information on their website or talk to current students or alumni. Understanding the college's values and programs can help you tailor your answers and questions to show that you are a good fit. Jadi mempelajari nilai-nilai yang dipegang oleh si univnya, program-programnya, terus website, dan juga ngobrol dengan students yang sekarang dan alumni. Knowing the college's location can also register stress on the interview day, of course. Jadi harus tahu dulu lokasinya di mana. And lastly, nah ini bisa salah satu transition cohesive device. Practicing the interview can build your confidence. You can practice with a friend or in front of a mirror. Practicing common interview questions and thinking about how you will answer them can make you feel more comfortable during the actual interview. It also helps you think about your experiences and goals so that you can talk about them clearly and confidently. Nah, itu 3 poin yang ada di thesis statement to increase confidence and ensure success. And then the last one is the concluding paragraph. A college interview is important for getting into your dream college. Preparing well can make a big difference. This includes, diulang lagi, restatement of the thesis statement. This includes understanding the interview's purpose, researching the college, and practicing beforehand. So yeah, so it's a 5-paragraph essay, process analysis essay. Let's go back to the first, to the PowerPoint. I hope you understand the organization and also the characteristic tips to create a process analysis essay. So here are the prompts to make a process analysis essay. Choose only one point for you to make the process analysis essay. Nih ada 3 prompts di sini. Kalian hanya tinggal memilih salah satunya seperti biasa. Explain the first one, explain the process you followed in deciding. You should follow ya kayaknya, you follow. In deciding to make a major life choice. Jadi proses yang harus kalian ikuti untuk mengambil keputusan gitu ya, to make a major life choice. Sebuah pilihan hidup yang penting gitu. For example, to get married, to choose a university. Gitu. Kalian bisa boleh apapun. Pokoknya yang menurut kalian major life choice itu apa? Kalian jelaskan prosesnya. And then the second one, sorry, I should display this. Nah, explain the process of buying or selling a product, used or new car or a guitar, etc. Jadi proses membeli dan atau menjual, including the steps for a successful transaction. It can be also how to use like a marketplace, how to do a transaction, a successful transaction in a marketplace. Kalian misalnya online shopping di Tokped misalnya, atau di Shopee, ataupun di apalagi Lazada dan lain-lain, dan kawan-kawan boleh salah satunya. And then how to for example, how to get discount from the marketplace, kan ada voucher-voucher dan lain-lain, itu juga boleh. Jadi pokoknya process of buying or selling something. Atau mungkin kalian, if you're a seller, how to sell a product in the marketplace, itu boleh. The last one, explain the process of making a good first impression on someone for the first meeting. Jadi menarik atau memberikan kesan yang baik gitu, good first impression. For example, how you dress, how you behave, and what to say. Jadi misalnya making a good first impression on a teacher, jadi di hadapan guru, di hadapan interviewer. Misalnya kalau kalian tadi interview kerja atau siapapun lah ya, boleh teacher dan lain-lain. Itu yang boleh kalian pilih. Jadi sebenarnya di dalam satu prompt ini kalian bisa memilih banyak pilihan gitu ya, tergantung pilihan kalian apa. Disesuaikan. Itu untuk hari ini materi tentang proses analisis essay. Sampel essay sudah dijelaskan tadi contohnya. And I will share the file, the PPT, and also the sampel essay ya, nanti di grup akan di-share. So I think that's all for today. Thank you. And if you have any question, you can post the question in our WhatsApp group. So thank you. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wah,